Guys, welcome back to the channel. We had a viewer reach out to us not too long ago and ask us, how do we keep our chickens from flying out of their netting or out of their chicken runs? Well, it's pretty simple. You trim their feathers. All you need is a pair of scissors. So we're going to show you how to do that in today's video. So let's get started. Really, the only tool you need is a good pair of scissors. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. You do want them to be pretty sharp, just to make things easier. But there's only one main thing you don't want to do when you're trimming. You don't want to cut too far. And we're going to show you kind of that fine line where to cut their wings. So let's get in there. We're going to bait them with a little bit of food, and hopefully I can catch one. So we're coming out here with our Rhode Island Reds. We've got them in our Stark Line chicken netting, and this is electrified. We love Stark Line. We use their products for all of our chicken netting. We do have a discount code below if you want to check that out. It is an affiliate link, but you can save 10% off of Stark Line netting. And so we've got our Rhode Island Reds. We've got all of our hens plus Buzz. Hey, Buzz. Can you say hey? Okay, we move them around in their chickshaw, and you can see it's a little bit muddy down here. We have had about a week full of rain, and they have scratched it up pretty good, but because of the heat and the sun, we have put them under the trees. So we're gonna turn the power off, and then we're gonna get inside. And we just keep it in just a little tote. You can see it down there, and we unplug it. I'm trying to do this one hand so I can hold the camera. Just put a little notch right there so that it doesn't get water inside, and the lid just goes on top. You don't have to worry about it. Their wings, huh? Who wants to trim their wings today? Oh, there's the scissors. Let's do that. Give them something to distract themselves with.
I want you to try to chase this little chicken.
Well, what do I gotta chase a chicken for? It's embarrassing, you know?
You catch this thing, you can catch grease lightning.
Hey, Lauren. Looks like I'm gonna need some backup. All right, so we're having a hard time catching the chickens, which is to be expected. So we're bringing out the big guns. Oh yeah, ladies. You know what that sound is? It's your grub Terra black soldier fly larvae. This will distract them long enough.
Yeah.
Scare you. Oh yeah, look at that. Tell them, Buzz. That's the good stuff. Tell them. There you go. All right, now we're gonna get us one.
Yeah.
That was a good one. Okay, plan B. We have another option. We can either go up to the chicken tractors and get one in there, or we wait till they roost at night when they're in their chickshaw and we can just grab one there. We'll go up and try the chicken tractor first. We're having a hard time grabbing them in there because those are our pullets that aren't quite ready to join these ladies. And if we're still struggling, then we'll just wait till it's nighttime. Okay, we're down here in the chicken yard. This is where we are getting ready to process our chickens. We've got 55 meat birds ready to go. Actually, tomorrow will be their final full day. These are our pullets that are growing. They're gonna join as soon as they get a little bit bigger. So we're gonna see how this goes, because these are pretty flighty. Are they too little?
No, not to. Correct. Oh gosh.
All right, that's not gonna work either. So we're gonna wait till they go to bed and grab them out of the chick shawl. At least we tried. It's the sun setting. We're stalking our prey. No, just kidding. They did. Last one just went in the chick shawl. Night night, girls.
I need someone to hold this up.
I can hold it up.
Okay.
There you go, right in front of you.
Hey, there's an egg.
That's a good one.
It's okay. Alright, so you're gonna have to pull the wing, spread it out.
Like, that's a different color, so you don't want to go too far up. So you're just going to trim it. It's like a fingernail.
These little guys,
Yeah.
they should line up with the bigger ones, so it's really not a whole lot.
Oh, hold on, girl. So basically where those line up, right there.
Yep, like an inch or two. There you go. That's all we do. She wants to go back.
I know she does. All right. We'll just do the other side.
I'm trying to get, there we go. It's okay. Okay, go ahead.
So, length right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And it doesn't hurt them. It's like fingernails. As long as you don't go too far.
Yep.
If you go too far, they'll bleed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Just like if you cut your own fingernails too far, it would bleed.
One of you
All right,
pop
there
that
you go.
a little bit.
I got you.
Thanks.
1, 2, 3. Ready?
She's coming back in.
There she is. Back in. And a night night. All right, so we just get them at night. It's just so much easier.
It
you
is.
spend all your time and energy chasing them around. Any tips you want to give? Somebody's trying this.
I mean, grab them at night, and you don't have to do both sides. One side is fine. It actually throws off their balance to where they can't fly over your fence.
Biggest thing is don't go too far.
Yeah.
Like, just trim a little bit. Better safe than sorry.
Yeah.
The blood won't clot through their feathers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And if you're worried about cutting too far, just cut a little bit. It doesn't have to be much. All right, so we're gonna move the chick shawl. I'll put this in fast mode so you guys can see how we move the chick shawl. Well, there you go, guys. How to clip your chicken's wings. Trying to catch a chicken was the biggest thing that we overcome today. Doing it at night seems to be so much easier, plus some bonus footage of us moving the chick shawl. So if you're having trouble with your chickens, getting out of your chicken runs, flying out, or your chicken netting, we showed you how to clip your chicken's wings safely, and just make sure that you're not going up too close into the wing. And we appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll see you on the next video.